with the relaunch of IHG One Rewards, that was new, fresh, and exciting. And we needed a new, fresh, and exciting way of bringing that to hotels. Um, our main way of communicating with hotels is with the GMs through biweekly hotel bulletins and just regular communications. But as a former GM myself, I know that's a lot of pressure to put on a single person to relay a message about performance, about metrics, about required trainings. It's a lot of pressure. And so our key here was that we wanted to find a way to get to the frontline team member. As a GM, I always believed at every hotel, there was always that one person at the hotel who maybe just worked the front desk 7 to 3, but they always were the hub of knowledge. They were always the big drivers of performance of the hotel, but didn't always have access to the resources that they needed to truly succeed. And so the key was unlocking that for them. So with that, we built IHG Climb as a way of communicating with that person, with those people on property who are driven and ambitious and want to do better. And we were super surprised with how the hotels and those team members took the program and drove the performance themselves. I personally was surprised by how little communications we actually needed to do throughout the life of the program, because the hotel colleagues were doing it themselves. They were challenging each other to do the missions, to rise to the top of the leaderboards, and to drive their performance. One of my favorite stories is we have a Kimpton who created a climb crown that they would give to every team member who hit the top of the leaderboard every week. And it was a cool and unique way of embracing the platform that we had nothing to do with. But that was the entire point. The entire point was to talk to that one person on property that was going to drive performance. And that's exactly what we did.